Hi everyone, I'm Andrea with Nature Knows, ready to eat fruits and vegetables in 100% eco-friendly packaging. We would love to be a part of your program to bring our sustainable, innovative products to the mainstream. Finally, no more plastic. There is a solution. We have compostable and biodegradable formats, single serve ready to eat, and farm to table sharing bags to be able to create healthy, fresh, sustainable solutions. Not only no plastic, we can actually help reduce waste. Our products have a proprietary process exclusively that we design that stay fresh 50% longer than plastic that's commonly used. So our red seedless grapes is an example. Those bags that have the holes and just end up going moldy and mushy, they're all plastic. Just by changing over 1% of our consumption, getting rid of these nasty things, our bags will actually stay fresh 50% longer and help save 3 million bags from going into landfill. We're Nature Knows, and with your help, we'd love to be able to bring this to the mainstream sustainably, healthy eating. As a single mom, it was a big risk to jump in and leave big corporate, but wanted to make a big difference to help us all live well, sustainably, and for generations to come.